In this video we will demonstrate how to use the T7 Floor cleaning machine. The T7 Floor cleaning machine is a wet cleaning floor scrubber that only uses water, and no detergents or chemicals are used. It must be understood that when using the T7 machine, it should not be used as a vacuum cleaner, and all debris must be swept up before using this machine. It is recommended to first sweep the floor manually or use the Tennant 6100 floor sweeper. How to use the T7 scrubbing machine. Take the T7 cleaning machine outside Dock 27 for its pre-use inspection. To maneuver the T7, turn on the machine by using the key, making sure that the operating switch is in the off position. This way the T7 can ride around without it being on the scrub mode. The directional control switch can be selected for forward motion, or for reverse motion by using the throttle or the brake. The horn is to be used to warn people that are obstructing your pathway, or for any other safety-related issue. Ride to Dock 27 and turn off the machine when it is in place, positioned in front of the drain and ready to perform pre-use inspection steps. At the back, remove the suction pipe and clear any debris or blockage. Clean under the squeegees with a wet cloth to remove residue or debris. Perform this from time to time if the cleaning is leaving water streaks on the floor. Inspect if the machine has 2 brushes fitted, and if the brushes are clear of any debris. Open the side flaps by removing the pins on both sides of the machine. Inspect and clear of any debris. Close the flap when done and replace the pins. Empty the dirty water reservoir, hold the pipe upright and remove the cap, place the pipe down and let it drain in the drain. Open the dirty reservoir and flush with clean water while the drain pipe is laying on the floor. Remove the filter and flush the filter as well as the water leveler. Once completed flushing the dirty reservoir, place the cap back on the pipe and hook into place. Fill the clean water reservoir by opening the inlet cap and filling water till it is below the cap. Alternatively, clean water can also be filled by opening the floor panel and filling it from the front. Fill the water till it reaches above the higher part of the tank. If the water tank is too full, open the side water inlet or empty using the clean water drain pipe on the back of the machine. Soap, detergents, or flammable liquids must never be used. Only clean water is to be used. The T7 machine is now ready to be used. Turn on the machine and ride into the building. Important to remember, every time the machine is taken outside, the operation of the machine must be turned off. The main green switch must be in the off position. If not, the squeegee will get damaged. Operation of the T7 machine is only to be used on the ground floor at Picnic FCA, and never to be used on the first or second floor. Setting up the machine to scrub only needs to be set up once. After selecting the required settings, then only the one-step green button is needed to turn on the scrub and turn it off. To make or change a selection, first turn on the green button. Turn off the eco. Turn on the vacuum fan squeegee button. Turn on the brush pressure button and select 2 lights illuminated. Select water flow rate to 1 light illuminated. Once these settings have been selected, the machine will remember these settings when the machine is turned off and on when using the green button. Travel speeds will affect the scrubbing. When traveling too fast, the floors will not be cleaned effectively. Extreme caution must be taken when turning next to poles or barriers. The T7 cleaning machine can turn very sharply, and the machine can easily be damaged by hitting obstacles. Always ride past the pole or barrier before turning, to avoid hitting the obstacles. Lights on the panel. Solution tank empty light on means that the clean water tank needs to be refilled. The machine will stop scrubbing and the clean water tank needs to be refilled. When refilling the clean water, then it is also wise to empty the dirty water tank. The recovery tank full indicates that the dirty water tank is full and needs to be emptied. The battery indicator low. The machine must be placed on charge. The emergency stop button is used to stop only for emergencies, and twisting it to the right will release the button. To reset after the emergency button has been used, turn the key to the off position, then to the on position. When completed using the machine, it must be cleaned before placing the machine back, the dirty tank emptied, water tank topped up, and then placed on charge at its designated charging station. Remove the key and hand the key back to leadership or who you received the key from. This video has been brought to you by Huismeesters Picnic FCA.